Hello, everybody. Welcome to MLC Academy. Today, we are going to go over our numbers 0 through 10. 0. Z-E-R-O. 0. 1. O-N-E. 1. 2. T-W-O. 2. 3. T-H-R-E-E. 3. 4. F-O-U-R. 4. 5. F-I-V-E. 5. 6. S-I-X. 6. 7. S-E-V-E-N. 7. 8. E-I-G-H-T. 8. 9. N-I-N-E. 9. 10. T-E-N. 10. Congratulations! We know our numbers 0 through 10. Good job, everybody!